That's Brenda.
Hi guys, this is Steph, aka Vintage Vagabond. For today's video, we're gonna do a DIY highlighter slide. Woo! Yay! This is Gaby, my roommate, and Brenda, my other roommate, my friends, you know what I mean? Yeah. So today we're gonna be doing this DIY. We've actually never made this before. I usually don't tell you that, but we've never made this before. And we have 20 minutes to do it. Yeah. Because Brenda has to go to work.
So this is make slime in under 15-minute challenge.
Yeah, so if this is a slime fail video, don't be surprised. Okay.
Like, call my Uber
Yeah.
in like 10 minutes. Like
10 minutes. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, step 1. Squeeze about 4 ounces of glue into a glass bowl. We have 3 glass bowls. Okay. Wait, just no, take off the top.
Oh yeah.
For time. We have a deadline. Yeah, a deadline.
Oh!
Yes. Okay, okay.
I feel like it's gonna. Okay.
Okay.
Can I use this to scrape it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why?
I can do them, yeah?
Yeah.
Squeeze it.
It's like pooping. I don't have 4 ounces. Okay, mine's gonna be a little bit under 4 ounces because I don't have time to create 4 ounces. Glue lying around. You never know.
Wait, where's the ounces? Is it back here?
Right here. 4 ounces.
Almost there. Okay, step 2. Yeah, that's important. Okay. Hold on.
Oh, we didn't think about getting napkins.
No, just here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. It's washable.
And I did think about napkins.
Okay.
I have to call my Uber in like 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, mix 1.5 bottles of warm water. Okay.
Bottles?
It's not gonna be
1.5 bottles?
into the glue? I don't know. Why did it say bottles?
You mean cups?
Bottles of warm water. That doesn't even make sense.
It's not gonna fit in there.
I'm gonna. Okay, hold on. Okay, mix 1.5 teaspoons of borax into 1/2 cup of water.
That makes so much more sense.
Okay, let's do that. Where's borax?
But are you
But
still
now-
putting water in the glue?
I don't know. Stop. We're just gonna put that in there and we're gonna see what happens.
No! We have to put borax in water.
Okay.
That's what activates the glue and makes it slimy. But we
Okay.
need to make sure we're doing this right.
You know, I'm sure no one's gonna have 1.5 bottles of water with one. That's ridiculous. Why can't I open this? Why aren't you opening? Oh my gosh! What is this? Mix 1 teaspoon of borax into 1/2 cup of water. Okay. I'm gonna start pouring.
Get all this glue up.
This sounds very poisonous, so
What are we doing?
beware.
That's just gonna flash my eyes.
2 shots of vodka!
Wait, 1/2 ounce? How much water?
1/4?
I literally have to
Wait,
call
no.
my Uber in
Wait,
like
1/2.
2 minutes.
1/2?
I'm not gonna
1/2
be
cup
here
of
for
water.
this.
Okay.
We fail.
It's okay, we can have same commitment.
Oh, that's half of the thing.
I'm just kind of watching right now. I'm afraid. I don't have time to attempt.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, in here?
Yeah.
And then what? Okay, let's stir it, I'm assuming. Yes, stir it
I'm
until
trying to wipe
slime
my.
started to come together, but there's no slime, so put it in there.
I'm trying to wipe my
Are you sure it
hands
says point it?
on that
support?
napkin, but
Yeah.
that napkin's full of glue, so it's not working.
Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just
Okay, Brenda.
Wait.
I'm not.
Dude, start mixing it?
Yeah, we just
We need bigger
we just
bowls.
poured the water with the borax. Oh my god! Yes, it's happening. Ready to do yours? Hurry.
I don't have time.
Yes,
Put
stop
the
it.
borax in there.
Here, pour it. This looks like cocaine.
No, the borax!
Wait, the borax! You were supposed to stir the borax into there.
I didn't have water in glue.
I don't know what's happening.
Okay.
I don't even know if I'm
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, yeah. Okay, and then the highlighter slime, we're gonna have to break it, so.
Okay, what do I do with this extra water?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know. Okay, should we like take the slime out of the borax? Look at it. Ah!
Melted marshmallows.
Roasting.
Okay, wait. Can you pull that out? Like dump the water into your mason jar, and then just keep the slime, and then put the highlighter in there and see what happens.
Sure. I'm just going
Brenda!
for it. I don't know if this is right.
Okay,
I'm just going for
okay,
it.
Brenda.
It's not gonna
You're
stick.
gonna make a soup.
It's not gonna stick anymore. Because we should have put the highlighter before. See? It's not gonna stick. We should have used clear glue too.
Why didn't none of this?
Well, no. Now we know. This is the trial one. Now we're gonna make yours
Why
the
do
good one.
8-year-olds know
Here,
how to
I'm
make
gonna
slime better
put
than we
this
do?
in here. I don't know if this is right. But
Wait. Oh,
Oh,
and mine?
sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can just. Okay.
I don't
So we
know.
can mix it. Okay, try it. Yeah, try it. Because mine doesn't have any borax in there yet.
So you put that in there and then you put the borax.
That makes sense.
Yeah, and then you like
You're gonna have to use your hands. You're gonna have to use your hands and just
I'm not trying to use my hands.
highlighter.
Now I just have like a soup of highlight. Oh my god!
So gross.
You add more borax so that way it's more.
Hey, give me some borax.
That's what makes it slimy, not sticky.
Some bouquet.
Some bouquet. I dare you to sniff it.
Aw, this is so depressing. It looks so easy.
It's kids dedicate their
Wait,
like
can
time to watch
How much
videos
water?
on this.
What's this? Half. One half?
Look at this. Let's see if hers turns out good, otherwise it's gonna be a fail. But she's working on it.
Mine's looking okay.
Reminds me of that Vine, One Drop Fishing. They're like,
Stop it.
I didn't say it! Stop! Rain. Can I smell the water?
Yeah. Put it inside that mason jar.
Not recording.
Ew! I hate this. I feel like I need more of this.
Mine? It's not a peanut.
Just top it off with a little work.
Look at this.
Oh my god, look! Look at the color! It's so
How did it get like
I
that?
put more glue on it.
There you go. I made my slime. This is my
Looks like a
10-minute slime.
Ew. Maybe that should be the 10-minute slime challenge. It's disgusting. Ew. It looks like a braid.
I don't know.
I think mine looks pretty great.
I don't want to touch it with my hands.
Can we like stick our hands in that picture?
But I'm pretty sure mine is.
Ew.
Yeah, because it's like borax in your hand. And then that's gonna like help you stick it.
Say water. It's like 1.5 bottles of water. Okay guys, so Brenda actually had to leave to work. I think we really failed. Oh god, yours is a brain. Jesus.
It's so like wet.
Ew. I'm gonna continue working on Brenda's and see what happens. Ugh, Brenda's is so gross. Ugh, it's so disgusting. It looks like meat, like human flesh. It looks so disgusting. Like, there's like the texture to this. The texture to this is like meat. Like, it's so gross. Look at the inside. Like, can you see that? Look at the meat here. It looks like a placenta. Yeah, it's so good. It's so disgusting. This is like perfect for Halloween. You know, like how to make like fake dead human flesh.
No! She's like, you have to try it on your face.
Ew. Yeah, let's see if the highlight works. This is the final result for mine. Like, it actually looks really cool, maybe in this light, but it has a texture of literal, like, human flesh. I don't know. It's just, like, if I try, like, it's just so disgusting. I don't even know. But if I actually, like, rip it, like you guys saw earlier, it looks like flesh. Like, I don't understand why or how that happened. Don't trust the internet. Like, not all those recipes work apparently because we followed it step by step, except for the 1/2 bottles.
Kind of, yeah.
1/2 bottles.
Step by step.
bottles of just random. Why do you want 1.5 bottles of water and slime and 4 ounces of glue? Like, that does not make sense to me at all. Like, it just.
I'm pretty happy with mine, to be honest. It's therapeutic. This is the heart of all the men who ever hurt me.
Where'd it go?
Look, but look, if you do this, it turns a really pretty color. I call this unicorn pea.
Okay, but that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry. Our slime literally sucks. I don't even know what to do.
Sounds like
Yeah, Gabby, last minute thoughts?
I think it was pretty fun. I think I'm gonna use this to I don't know, throw at my enemies.
Throw their cars.
Yeah. Or just for therapy. It's nice to squish and break and
For everyone that ever heard you
highlight
your face.
yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry, Brenda, that yours looks like.
Yeah, this is so let's also just show the last, this is Brenda's. That's Brenda's.
I can't. Oh god, okay, that's Brenda. Kids, don't watch these videos.
Yeah, that's that.
Mine. Gabby's. Can you even see Gabby's? Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Yeah, this is definitely a fail video. I'm so sorry you had to sit through that. Like, it was like a slime, like a slime soup, a slime brain, and slime human flesh.
Slime pancreas. A slime placenta.
So if you want some ideas for Halloween and how to make some fake flesh, just follow these instructions, I guess.
And it also makes a good highlight if you like.
Ew, stop it, it's so slimy. Okay, I love you guys. Bye!